Hi angels, and welcome to my channel. And yeah, today I'm gonna be doing a skincare DIY tutorial, and this is because I kind of really believe, it's not just about makeup. There are certain things as a woman that you need to do to kind of really take care of your skin, because it doesn't happen on its own to kind of really have a flawless skin. And I was thinking, you know what, I'm gonna be kind of sharing with you guys some of my beauty secrets, like what kind of things I do at home using my kitchen stuff to kind of really have a flawless looking skin. And yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you how I steam my face. And I know this kind of really sounds like, oh, steam your face, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be steaming yourself, but I kind of really tend to get close pores in my face, and I really found out that when I kind of steam my face, it's kind of makes a difference. It's kind of really removes all the toxins that are kind of tend to appear on my chocolatey skin, and you don't want some kind of nasties on the face, do you? So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can definitely do this. Is so easy. And one thing I want to suggest, if you have sensitive skin like me, I recommend that before you steam your face to kind of really apply some moisturizer, because this will kind of protect your skin as well. And also, you're gonna be dealing with hot water. I'll suggest that you be really careful, because you don't want to burn yourself, trying to to be beautiful, then you have scars. We don't want that to happen. So this is kind of a caution I would want to tell you guys. So this is also one of the easy things that you can do maybe once a week. I usually do this once a week, because with the skincare also you don't want to overdo it, because then you're gonna kind of spoil your pores, and then you're gonna just spoil your skin as well. So you have to be really careful how you do your routines. I would definitely one of these fine days show you some of the routines that I kind of really do, at what time, when, and how, so that you guys can have an idea. And I hope all of us are gonna have a sisterhood of fabulous skin going on. All right, so let's get on started. Alright angels, let's get started. For this spa, you will need a bowl of water that you fill in with hot boiling water to get some steam. Then when you finish, sprinkle in a few drops of essential oil. And for my look, I was using lavender oil because it's definitely great for any skin tone. Second step is definitely optional. If you have oily skin or sensitive skin, I would suggest that you use a moisturizing cream before you steam your face. I was using a vitamin C based moisturizer for this look. After all the steps, it's now time to get steamy. Place a towel over the back of your head and lean your face over the bowl of steaming water. Bring down the towel around it and steam for 5 minutes. You also want to make sure that you don't go too close to the steaming water. When you finish steaming, splash some cold water on your face, and that's it, you're done. Steaming will soften any oil plugs such as blackheads that are blocking your pores, and this look is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much for watching, because this is how you get a simple home DIY spa.